Removing unused resources. You may have based your project on another project, imported resources, or project plans have changed. For whatever reason, you sometimes end up with unused resources. Chances are you don't want those resources displayed in your reports. Here is the single-step solution to remove all your unused resources from your Resource Explorer at the same time, making sure they don't end up in your project reports. To remove the risk of accidentally deleting data, there are specific steps to removing unused resources, including a dialog window which also acts as a confirmation step that clearly shows you exactly what you're going to remove. In the Resource Explorer, if you change your mind, you can use the Undo button, as long as you don't close the Resource Explorer immediately after removing unused resources. To use this feature, firstly open up the Resource Explorer. In the ribbon menu, select Remove Unused Resources. You will see a list of all resources that are not assigned anywhere within the project. This list also includes any resources that will be unused if an original group resource is removed. For each resource you can see a description as well as important defining information. To remove unused resources from a project, simply check which resource in the list you want to remove, or uncheck resources in the list that you do not wish to remove. If a group resource is unchecked, then any required base resource will automatically be unchecked and ghosted out. In our example here, when we untick grout, because sand is a component of that group resource, then sand is grayed out. The padlock symbol on the left indicates that resource is currently locked or is being modified by another user. Hovering your mouse over this padlock will display who is currently making that change. Once selected, click the Remove button here to remove all unused resources. If you wish to restore them, press the Undo button in the ribbon menu before closing the Resource Explorer. You can enable or restrict user permission security privileges for removing unused resources in the Resource Explorer section. And that's an introduction to removing unused resources in Expert Estimation. For further information, see the knowledge base article linked below this video. If you have any further questions, we'd love to hear from you. We're here 24/7 on our support number or via email. Contact us today. We look forward to helping you.